Our next topic is permanent tissue. The permanent tissues in a plant are those tissues that contain non dividing cells. The cells of permanent tissues are derived from the meristematic tissue. Types of permanent tissues. Permanent tissues can be classified into two types. They are simple permanent tissue, complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues. These tissues are simple. They are made up of only one type of cells. Simple permanent tissues are again classified into three main types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, simple tissue. The cells of parenchyma are living. They are oval, elongated, and loosely packed with large intercellular space. The cells of parenchyma have small nucleus, large vacuole, and thin wall. These tissues are found throughout the plant. Now see the diagram of parenchyma tissue. See here, the cells are loosely packed. Cells are loosely packed and thin wall. Now, what are the functions of parenchyma? They support the plant body, store food and nutrients in vacuole. Sometimes parenchyma contain chlorophyll and thus perform photosynthesis. Such parenchyma tissues are called chlorenchyma. In aquatic plants, cells of parenchyma have large air cavities which allow plant to float. Such parenchyma tissues are called parenchyma. Now you understood about parenchyma. Now we will study about collenchyma. Cells of collenchyma are living. They are oval, elongated, and tightly packed. They have no intercellular spaces. They have no intercellular spaces. Cells of collenchyma have small nucleus, large vacuole, and have thin cell wall, but thick at the corner. See in the figure, they are thick at the corner. They are thick at the corner. Collenchyma tissues are found below epidermis in leaves and stem. Now, what are the functions of collenchyma? Collenchyma provides mechanical support to plants. They provide flexibility to plants so that they can bend without breaking. Now you understand about collenchyma. Now next is sclerenchyma. Cells of sclerenchyma are dead. Cells of sclerenchyma are dead. They are narrow and elongated. They are narrow and elongated. The cell wall in sclerenchyma is thick and hard. Lignin is a chemical substance which hardens the cell wall. These types of tissues are found around vascular bundles, veins of leaves, in hard covering of seeds and nuts. For example, sclerenchyma tissues are found in coconut husk. Now, what are the functions of sclerenchyma? It makes the plant parts hard and stiff. It provides strength. Now, understood all of you? Thank you.